Hello everyone! Thank you for joining me here on this video today. Thank you for watching this video. Kung first time niyo po dito sa aking channel, ako po si PinoyTraveller. Ang mga ginagawa ko pong videos is more on traveling, but today I'll try to do a little bit different. So this is gonna be exciting. Hope na papanoorin niyo mula umpisa hanggang dulo para magkaalaman na kung anong mangyayari sa future ng aking channel. So, welcome and thank you for joining me here today. I hope every one of us are okay. We're doing fine. So before po tayo mag-start, I just want to invite you all guys to please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell para nang pag may mga bago akong videos na ipopost, mapapanood at manonotify naman kayo. So why not? Just do that now. Sa hapon pa na ito, it is a very, as I've said before, it is a very exciting video kasi first time ko pong gumawa ng unboxing video. Hindi ko po talaga, pag may binili akong something, hindi ko talaga binivideohan. Pero why not today? I'll just give it a try. Baka ito yung first of the many na darating sa aking channel na mga unboxing video. So, let's do this video. So, ang produkto po na aking bubuksan sa hapon na ito ay ang tinatawag na Amazon Echo Dot. Ito yung box niya. So, this is supposed to be a smart speaker na makakatulong sa atin when we're cooking. Pwede mo siyang utusan to give you or to tell you the recipe. Kung gusto nyong makinig ng news, pwede nyo rin siyang sabihan na mag-play ng news. Kung meron kang playlist sa phone mo, pwede mo rin siyang utusan mag-play ng favorite playlist mo or favorite music mo. So, it is supposed to be a smart speaker. Kaya ako po siya binili kasi gusto ko lang itry. So, may mga bagong versions na po ang... so, ito po yung box. Maliit lang siya. So, may mga bagong versions na po ng Echo Dot. So, meron siyang yung base Echo Dot version. Meron din yung Echo Dot 3rd generation at yung latest na release nila yung 4th generation. So, ito po yung 3rd generation. So, gusto ko lang munang itry kung ano yung performance niya. Malay natin kung magustuhan ko, baka itry ko yung latest version niya. So, mamaya magugulat kayo sa price nito kasi napaka-amazing ng product na to. Kaya ititest ko siya kung mag-live up pa yung expectation ko sa price niya. Okay? So, bubuksan natin yung box, guys. Ang una natin gagamitin ay gunting. Okay. Alright. So, ito yung aking gunting. Bubuksan natin. Medyo maayos yung pagka-box niya. So, ito yung kanyang box. Basahin muna natin dito. Sabi niya, add Alexa to any room. So, si Alexa po, siya po yung smart assistant gaya ni Google, gaya ni Siri. So, Echo Dot connects to Alexa and provides full sound from a compact design that fits anywhere in your home. So, hindi ko po ina-advertise to guys. Tinatry ko lang kung ano na talagang magagawa nito sa aking buhay. So, meron siyang so, nandyan si Alexa, nandyan si Bluetooth, may Wi-Fi, may audio line out din siya. And then, meron din siyang microphone on and off button. So ito yung picture niya. Picture from Amazon. So, Echo Dot. Okay, so bubuksan na natin. So, sa video po natin today guys is, syempre hindi lang unboxing, iti-test din natin yung product kung ano talaga yung performance niya. So, let's open it up. Alright. So, this is it. Ito lang siya. Maliit lang. So, meron siyang Echo Dot instruction. Welcome pack. Ito yung instructions niya. Ito yung things to try. So, pwede mo na siya maging organizer, magiging calendar, magiging alarm. At ito po ang kanyang power adapter. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is tanggalin muna natin yung kanyang wrapping. Wow. Napakaliit niya. Napakaliit. Pero it looks legitimate. Napaka niya, solid. So, ayan siya. So, merong, ito yung volume down, volume up. Ito yung pag-connected ata sa Bluetooth. Tsaka ito yung microphone. Ito rin yung kanyang audio out. At tsaka, andyan na rin yung kanyang sa power cord niya. Okay. So, ito siya. Yung side niya is parang leather. Pero yung gilid niya is like a high quality plastic. Ayan. Okay guys, let's give this a try. Record niya, okay. So, titignan muna natin kung ano yung magiging setup niya. So, ito yung instruction. Alright. So, tatry na natin siya ngayon guys.
Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun. Yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Yeah, let's do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, you know.
Your echo is ready. Hello, I'm Alexa. It's nice to meet you. Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this. Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather?
In Sunny Bank, it's 30 degrees Celsius with thunderstorms and mostly cloudy skies. Here's something different to try. I can help organize your shopping needs by creating a shopping list. Try saying, Alexa, add bananas to my shopping list.
Alexa, add bananas to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added bananas to your shopping list. Here's something new I can do. I can help you with your day-to-day calculations. Whether you're converting units, navigating time differences, counting down to a holiday, or solving a math problem, I'm here to help. Try asking, Alexa, what's 25% of 3,500?
Alexa, what's 25% of 3,500?
25% of 3,500 is 875. Check back in any time with day-to-day questions. I'll be happy to help. Let's try something new. I'm very helpful around the house. For example, setting alarms. Try saying, Alexa, wake me up at 9 a.m.
Alexa, wake me up at 9 a.m.
Alarm set for 9 a.m. I'll cancel that alarm for now. Let's move on to the last part of this introduction. I'll ask you a few questions to see what you like. Then, I'll send you recommendations to your Alexa app. First question. I've got mad skills. Skills are like apps for Alexa, so you can do more, like play games, order a pizza, or listen to a meditation. Do you want to learn more about skills?
No.
Not a problem. Second question. You can personalize how often you need to say my name. With the follow-up mode setting, you won't have to say Alexa before every request. Want to learn more?
No.
Not a problem. One last thing. Do you like staying up to date on the latest news?
Not at all.
No worries. Thanks for answering those questions. Check out the Alexa app to see more things to try, or ask me anytime what else I can do. Have fun exploring, and thanks for chatting.
Alexa, who's the president of the Philippines?
The current president of the Philippines is Rodrigo Duterte.
Can you play me my favorite music? Alexa, can you play my favorite music?
Sure, playing music you like.
Yeah, that's my favorite song. Oh, grabe.
They say sometimes you win
Alexa,
some.
stop music. Alexa, can you please read to me Psalms 23?
Your Audible library is empty. To add titles, go to the Audible app.
How far is Brisbane to Manila?
Manila is 5,816 kilometers from Brisbane as the crow flies.
Alexa, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Manila, Philippines, you'll see lots of clouds and can expect a high of 29 degrees Celsius and a low of 24 degrees.
Are you dating? Alexa, are you dating someone?
I'm happily single.
Alexa, who's the president of the United States of America?
Here's something I found on the web. According to blurtit.com, Hamid Karzai, born 1957, is the current president of Afghanistan. Did that answer your question?
No.
Thanks for your feedback.
Alexa, what's the #1 TV show?
Game of Thrones is the best TV show of all time based on its ratings and popularity. The show has an IMDb rating of 9.3 out of 10 with around 1,733,000 votes.
Thank you.
So ito yun guys, so yun. Mukhang maganda naman siya. At yung sasabihin ko kung magkano yung price niya, okay? So yung price niya is originally at $59. Napakamura po niya, diba? $59 po. And then since naka-Black Friday sale siya, nabili ko lang ito ng $34. So hindi na masama, diba? May katuwang na tayo sa pagbabasa ng news. So ang isa ko pala na dapat i-download is yung Audible app para utusan ko siya magbasa ng Bible para sa akin. Ayun, so not bad for a $34. Bigyan ko muna siguro ng mga 2 weeks para ma-navigate ko siya ng husto. Kasi
pwede siyang gamitin sa Amazon Music, sa Spotify, tapos meron din siyang news daw. So, yun yung gusto kong itry bago ko siya masabi kung ano talaga yung performance niya. Okay! So guys, yun lang po ang aking unboxing video for today. Hopefully nag-enjoy po kayo. But kung di nyo pa po na-like itong video na to, please do like it. And then please subscribe din po sa aking channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell para sa susunod na mga video po, ma-shoutout ko po kayo. Kung meron po kayong tanong, kung meron po kayong gustong ipagawa sa videos, sa mga next videos ko guys, please comment them down below. And see you on the next one. Goodbye.